Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, let me show you the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now you can see it says 256 gigabyte, and the battery capacity is 79%, and the cycle count 1349. You can see this is good condition, no scratches. You can see the charging port, no problem. The charging port has some scratches. You can see. Let me show you clearly. Okay, you can see some scratches. Okay. And this edge, no problem. This edge, okay, no problem. The camera, you can see the camera, no scratches. Okay, this is a beautiful iPhone 13 Pro Max, the blue color. Okay, let me show you the more information. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and CH means this is China version. And okay, the history. Okay, the battery 79%, and let me show you more. Okay, the capacity is 256 gigabyte, and okay, the unlocked one, no SIM card restrictions. This is China version, so this has two SIM cards. This is first one, and this is the second one. You can see the SIM card slots. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me, and I will share. I will send the price list to you. Okay, this is China version. This is a huge. Now you can see this is a huge warehouse. Okay, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. A lot of different colors. This is blue. This is a white color. You can see this white color, and 78%. Okay. The screen, no problem.